anybody sitting in their living room watching this mess unfold wants to be assured that there's ethics in government.
Kim Worth is the attorney for Stacey Kalberman, the former Ethics Commission director who successfully sued the state, claiming she was forced out of her job for aggressively pursuing a campaign finance investigation against Governor Nathan Deal.
You felt like there was political pressure to squelch the investigation of Nathan Deal.
I do. I think that I do. I believe that.
Kalberman's trial and 3 other whistleblower claims from former Ethics Commission employees that were settled have cost the taxpayers nearly $3 million.
These cases, all 4 of them, represent such an incredible waste of money, and this all did not have to be.
After Kalberman's huge court victory and the other settlements, Kim Worth thought it was all over.
But that sounded like I was being threatened and my agency was being threatened.
Then, current Ethics Commission Director Holly LaBerge dropped a bombshell during an exclusive interview with the Fox 5 I team. She told me the governor's staff threatened her as she was wrapping up the Nathan Deal investigation. She put the alleged threats in a memo and gave it to the Assistant Attorney General who is defending her. Attorney General Sam Olens says his staff felt legally they didn't have to share the evidence during Stacey Kalberman's case.
Were the decisions made by your office made in any way to protect the governor?
So number one, the answer is no.
Was that memo not turned over to protect Governor Nathan Deal?
How would I know that? I have no idea. But what I do know is
You have a gleam in your eye when you say that.
There's something in it. I have no idea.
Ms. Worth felt the fact that the memo wasn't shared was so disturbing she took the unusual step to have the trial judge punish both Holly LaBerge and the Attorney General's office. She says the evidence could have led to Governor Nathan Deal testifying in her case.
It would have brought in other witnesses that I wasn't otherwise able to get into court.
And it makes us all look bad. It just does.
Judge Earl Glanville fined Holly LaBerge and Sam Olens' office a total of $20,000 for not turning over all the evidence.
Were you surprised by the judge's ruling?
Not really, not knowing this judge. He's a rule follower. He's a fantastic judge.
Worth believes the time, the money, and the questions of ethics involving the State Ethics Commission could all have been avoided if someone from the state simply said, "We made a mistake when we forced Stacey Kalberman out of her job."
It's about the right thing. It's doing the right thing and not having people lose their jobs for somebody else's political or professional gain.
Now, Kim Worth says the people of Georgia just want honesty, ethics, and transparency in its government. And the